Aloha everybody, welcome to Eat and Be Eaten. Recently we went on a hunt out on Mauna Kea for Mouflon sheep, and so I wanted to show you guys the process here in this video of skinning and butchering the sheep. So I've got the video sped up so you can see it happen in real time here in just a few minutes. These are the Mouflon sheep with the big horns. They are naturalized all around Mauna Kea, and so we went out, we hunted, we got one. You'll see where the bullet went through, right? Nice shot through the shoulder. And what we did was we took just the hind legs and the front legs and the back straps. So we never actually gutted the sheep, not necessary. And when it comes to these cuts, the rear hind, which you can see is taken down now, makes for a really good roast. The fronts, the shoulders, make for good ground meat and sausage, and then the back straps, which you'll see get taken off in a little bit here, are great for flash cooking on the barbecue, keep them medium rare. And so that's what we did. We made sausages with this meat. There's the bullet hole right there. And they came out really wonderful, delicious. So I'll let you guys watch the rest of this process, taking off, again, the hinds, the fronts, and the back straps. Alright, and we'll see you soon on Eat and Be Eaten. We're going to be getting into some fish jerky, trying out some different varieties of fish jerky, and rating them, and showing you about a great company here on the Big Island that does that. So I'll see you guys next time on Eat and Be Eaten. Aloha.